So, art kiddos, you are going to be working with each other to workshop your portfolios. You should have been following along with the assignments, and your assignments should be loaded up on your art portfolio, and that portfolio should be published. You are going to go over on week 6, you're going to be going over what you have included so far, and that I think should be line, shape, form, and texture. And you have done some research and you've done Paleolithic and Neolithic and Bronze Age art, and you should have been writing about that. Now, I want you to look at the sketches, so your sketching practice that you're doing every day, and I want you to look at the artwork that you've created for your portfolio and look at the assignments and ask yourself if you have included your best pieces, if there's any way to improve those portfolios. And you're going to be publishing that portfolio and including it on a Padlet that's linked here. So you're going to log into Padlet first with your school Gmail account. And then you're going to be putting a link on this Padlet for your portfolio so that the rest of your class can see what your portfolio looks like. And then your work for this Friday is going to be a peer review. So you guys are going to be looking at each one, and there's 6 of you in the class, so everybody is actually going to be doing 5. You are going to be looking at this and writing a peer review with perfect spelling and grammar, of course, and you're going to be including 2 positives, a negative, which is something that you feel is not good about the person's portfolio, and a suggestion for improvement. So 2 positives, a negative, and a suggestion for improvement. You're going to be using absolute best professionalism. You're going to be including details. So, I just didn't like it, or, I thought it was great. These are not constructive. They don't really help your the person that you're reviewing at all. So make sure that you're being very specific about the work that you're commenting on. Next week, so this is for this week, that's your assignment. Next week, you are going to be taking all of the reviews that are being given to you and have been written down on that Padlet, and you are going to be improving your portfolio using the suggestions that were given to you. So look at the suggestions that are written on the Padlet, the positives, the negatives, and all the suggestions, and then improve your portfolio for next week. And then you're going to be sharing that improved portfolio to me to see, and then talking about your growth. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, make sure that you're reaching out. Thanks.